guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is going to be another new project pan. If you guys are interested for this video, then just keep on watching. I wanted to share with you guys this new project pan that I wanted to do this year. This is not kind of brand new. I did this last year, like around the end of the year 2022. It is very successful for my liking, so I wanted to do it again this year. Project 10 uses project pan. It is going to be 3-month long project pan again, and it is a rolling style project pan, and I have 10 products as of now in this project. First, it will be this Hipdot face palette. This is the Moon Queen. They have two of this, but I did like this one better. I've got this one at TJ Maxx for $7.99. So here it is. It does have a mirror here, and then we have 2 blushes, and then we have 3 of the highlighters and 1 bronzer. So for this one, I am going to use, like, for example, Red Moon. That is already 1 use, and then if I wanted to use all the blush, highlighter, and the bronzer, that's going to be 1 use. So it depends on every day that I'm going to count as 1. So that's how it is for this project pan. The next one I've got here is from McGrath Rose Decadence eyeshadow palette. This is how it looks like. I did put this one on my project 100 uses. I haven't used any of this eyeshadows here, so I wanted to start for this project 10 uses for now, so that I can put a little bit of progress on the other project pan, and then let's move on to that one later on. So it does have 2 mattes here and 4 shimmers. It is already discontinued, I believe, or it is still available in Pat McGrath's website. So I wanted to put this one because of the shades are related to spring, so that's why I wanted to put this on this project pan. Next product I have in here is the Too Faced Sun Bunny bronzer. I did put this one last year, I believe, on the project 10 uses, and this is how it looks like now. And then my main goal on this one is to use it more than 100 or something, at least hit pan on this product, because it is getting old and I wanted to use most of it before it gets expired. The next one, it will be this Mercier loose setting powder. I got this one as a free gift from Sephora, and it does have 0.17 ounces or 5 grams. This is the one that I'm using like recently, so I wanted to use it more, and maybe later on I can finish it up. And this is how much products it does have in here. It is tiny, but it does have a lot of products in here. That's why I wanted to tackle one of the setting loose powder I have in my collection. So it will be a great empty for this year. I have a lot of kind of ideas how to finish up some of the products I have on my makeup collection. Next, it will be the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation. This is in the Dewy finish. I haven't used this one ever since I bought it, so why not to put on this project pan. I have in the shade Golden Beige, and I wanted to try this Dewy finish because I love their matte Photofocus foundation. I believe I did buy that one 3 times already, and I just wanted to try this one. It's really nice because I am more on the kind of dewy, like hydrating foundation, not compared to matte foundation. Once in a while I use matte foundation, but not a lot. So next, it will be this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium. I just wanted to finish this concealer this year because it's getting old and I haven't put any empty concealer yet, so it will be the first one maybe. We'll see. And I haven't had any like markings. The last marking I did is over here, but I don't know how much it is now on this packaging. So far I did use this one for 4 times already because I started to put all my list yesterday. So next it will be the Shop Miss A Sculpting Brow Pencil in the shade of dark brown. Usually I finish a lot of brow pencil, brow gel, and mascaras. So yeah, I wanted to put this one so that I can at least tackle as much as I can of the brow pencils and brow gel, because these are like kind of, I have a lot of them, and sometimes I wanted to finish most of them before I get the new one. So next product, it will be, I forgot to use this one today. This is the Colourpop Cheek Dew Serum Blush in the shade Sour Cherry. It is very bright red, but it can be used as a, like, sheer it out. It looks like kind of like jelly blush, but if you're gonna tap it up a little bit, I use this one after I put my concealer, foundation, and it helps on the cheek, like a little bit rosy, natural looking blush. That's why I like using this blush now. And then next product, it will be the Tower 28 S.O.S face spray. I don't know where it is. Here it is. The marking on this one is here, and my main goal is to finish this setting spray or this facial spray, because I wanted to buy the regular size of this facial spray because I love using this one. It is kind of holy grail to me now. So I did put this one last year on my Project 10 uses too, and I ended up using this a lot. So my main goal is to finish this, hopefully. The next product, it will be this Skin Proud Serious Shade Sunscreen SPF 50. I got this one from Skin Proud. They sent it to me to do a review, and I don't get paid for doing a content for them because of they just send this as a free gift. So this one, I haven't used this one yet, like for this list. At least I tried it once. So it is really nice. There's no white cast. It is very lightweight. You will not feel that you have sunscreen underneath of your makeup. So it is very sleek, or kind of like doesn't have any weight in here, so you can scoot it up in your makeup bag, because even though it's so big, it is very thin. And the color, it is really nice, especially if you're gonna go to the beach. Spring, it is spring right now, but you know, spring to summer, it is very nice to have this one. Especially it is available at Walmart, and it is less than $15, so why not to try it? So I think that's it for you guys. I hope you guys did like this video. Please give it a thumbs up, and see you on my next video. Bye.
Love me, say that you